is the microwave we destroyed yesterday. As you can see in there, it is all melted. So let's take it apart. Let's see what happens. See what happened inside. Really, I'm going after the transformer inside. You see in there, melted the safety switches, the door switches in there. All the wiring seems fine. Electrical board seems fine. I'm not sure if it popped a fuse. I'm not gonna sit here and test it or anything. But yeah, melted a lot of that. That's the magnetron right there. Got the transformer. That's what I'm after right there. Let's see what I can do. And that's what I'm looking for right there. High voltage transformer. Let's see what we can do with that. There is the magnetron. Looks like it's in pretty good shape there, actually. After being on fire. Let's see anything in there. Everything inside survived other than the micro switches, so. Alright. Time to see what we can do with this.